beginning about this video, first of all, let me introduce this cable that is a 7 diameter and also 5 diameter cable with 2 duplex LC. And one side is the LC duplex with armored tuber, and another side that is the LC. We want assimilated opticals. First of all, we already have a dust cap here, and this one inside. Another side is the SFP. Let me check. This has details. This is local here, and we can put here, and okay, you can put here. It's already located, and LC to inside SFP. This is also has a mark here, so we can plug in. Hold on. Okay. And 这个应该是2个。Oh, sorry. Finish.
Okay.